Server. A server is a computer system or software program that provides services to other computer programs or devices on a network. Servers are essential for hosting websites, applications, and databases, among other things. Here are the top 10 questions and answers about servers to help you understand their importance and how they work. 1. What is a server? A server is a computer system or software program that provides services to other computer programs or devices on a network. 2. What types of servers are there? There are many types of servers, including file servers, web servers, email servers, database servers, game servers, and more. 3. What is a web server? A web server is a type of server that is used to host websites and deliver web pages to users via the Internet. 4. What is a hosting server? A hosting server is a server that is used to host websites, web applications, and other online services for customers. 5. What is a dedicated server? A dedicated server is a type of server that is used exclusively by a single customer or organization for their computing needs. 6. What is a virtual server? A virtual server is a type of server that is created by dividing a physical server into multiple virtual servers, each with its own operating system and resources. 7. What is server downtime? Server downtime refers to the period of time when a server is not available or is offline due to maintenance, upgrades, or other issues. 8. How do I ensure my server is secure? To ensure your server is secure, you should use strong passwords, keep software updated, monitor for unusual activity, and use firewalls and other security measures. 9. What is a load balancer? A load balancer is a hardware or software device that distributes network traffic across multiple servers to optimize performance and reliability. 10. What are cloud servers? Cloud servers are virtual servers that are hosted in a cloud computing environment, allowing for scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. In conclusion, servers are essential for hosting websites, applications, and databases, among other things. By understanding the different types of servers and how they work, you can choose the right server for your needs and ensure that your online services are reliable, fast, and secure. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.